everything that takes us away from the patient, we strongly believe that we can automate a bit of those tasks that we need to do.
Nurses at Montreal's McGill University Health Centre may soon spend more time with patients and less time behind the screen thanks to a new artificial intelligence pilot project.
We did some studies and we look at nurses, we observe nurses and doing time and motion studies, and what we realized that there's a good part of the work of the nurse that is away from the patient.
The initiative, called ENAC, short for Empowering Nurses with AI for Care Transformation, was launched this week during the All-In 2025 conference at Palais des Congrès in Montreal. The event brings together thousands of AI experts, business leaders, and researchers from Canada and abroad. Developed in collaboration with Montreal-based tech company Arudi, the project aims to automate routine documentation and other tasks that pull nurses away from direct patient care.
So with ENACT, the balance gets shifted and it gives us a helping hand because we can shift precious time to what matters most to our nurses, namely providing direct, high quality and safe patient care and developing novel practices that will support their patient experience and improve their outcomes. As you'll hear by the other speakers and hear Alain, it was developed with nurses, for nurses.
One element of the project is workstations on wheels, which nurses can carry from room to room. These mobile stations will display daily tasks, help with prioritizing those tasks, and suggest when tasks might be delegated to licensed practical nurses or orderlies. This aims to help nurses better organize their days.
We're going to have all the tasks that the nurse has to do during a day is going to be on a screen that she's going to be able to carry from room to room. And then we're going to be helping the nurse to prioritize the task, but also with AI, tell the nurse, maybe you could delegate this to a orderly or to a licensed practical nurse. So really help her to see, how can I better organize my day, basically.
ENAC's first use case is set for a couple of months from now, with a full deployment expected later on.
We aim to start implementing our first use case around January 2026, and we have a year together to work together to implement until December 2026.
In Montreal, Adriana Gentile, City News.